Welcome. In this session, we are going to understand how to write data to CSV file in Rstudio. To proceed, we are going to make use of write functions in Rstudio. To do that, we'll go to Rstudio and we are going to write a new R script. Within this R script, first of all, we are going to read the data from a CSV file, and this CSV file will be available in our R programming directory. If you want to open this file in order to see what all contents we have in the file, we can simply double click on the file, and you can see that at the moment the file is known as data.csv and it has some contents available. Now what we want to do, we are going to make use of our program and we are going to read this data.csv file. We'll copy the path, and now what we are going to do, we are going to read this file from this path. We are going to name the file as data.csv and we are going to put the content on the new line. Once we have read the file, we are going to store that in a variable known as data. Once we have read the file, we are going to print the data out, and we can select the statements and we can click on run. So you can see that data has been read, and now what we want to do, we want to write this data to another CSV file. And before that, I would like to display you how you can simply get help from write.csv methods. You can make use of help statement and you can see data output options. And now what you can see is you can make use of write table method, write CSV method, write CSV2 methods, and you have a set of arguments available. So now what we are going to do, we are going to make use of this data and we are going to write to a CSV file. And within this CSV file, first of all, we are going to specify the data which we want to write, and then we are going to provide the path on which we want to write our new file. So our new file will be generated at a location known as devanshu.csv. So at the moment you can see that in this directory we don't have any devanshu.csv file available here. So we'll go to Rstudio and we're going to execute the statements. So once the statements are selected, we're going to run the statement, and once we execute that, we can see that we have got another file here created at 241 devanshu.csv. We can simply double click on this file and we can see that devanshu.csv has the same contents as of data.csv. So this is how we can make use of Rstudio and we can read and write comma separated values, and we can store these files as well. Thank you for watching.